suddenly Kibo is giving a lot of interviews, huh?
Yeah.
What's going on?
We even have one scheduled for Thursday sa story ko.
Oo, kinukuha ko nga
It's
siya.
been a long time, ha?
Well, tingin ko
Pakisabi
si
sa
Gibo
kanya.
still wants to be
In the conversation?
hindi
For
lang.
president.
Tingin ko gusto niya maging president.
Kaya, in the conversation for the big job.
Yeah.
Exactly, that's my point. Is that your read, Ed?
I don't know.
Without compromising access.
No, I don't know.
Anong
sabi
vibes?
niya?
We talked about it,
Nakita ko yung
what
interview
his
nila,
plans
Magato.
are.
Oo.
Sabi niya, that's not on my radar yet.
Yet.
Mm.
Wow, may yet. Oh, that's
Yeah, when
interesting.
we pointed out, sir, so hindi pa.
Mm.
We have other things to, to
Pag
work
sinabi
on.
ko na that's not on my radar yet, ibig sabihin tatakbo ko.
Punta na
for
yun
president.
doon. Oo.
The yet.
Tsaka hindi mo sinasara. Iba kasi yung talaga wala akong bala.
Nag-no na agad.
Mm.
Oo.
Although you also seen Gloria say na I'm not going to run.
Oo. But yung stance niya that some people are saying na masyado siyang malakas talagang bumakbak sa China na parang
Oh, grabe,
against na hindi naman ganon yung style daw ni President Marcos.
Pero naman
Parang,
kasi niya 80% at least ay ng mga population, 80 to 90, ay very anti-China.
Yeah.
So gusto niyang ma-access
Yeah.
yung ganong klaseng huge base. No? I-transform niya yan going into the presidency.
Right.
Although, hindi naman niya aminin yun.
We were asking about sir, maliban dun sa Chinese influence operations in the Philippines, do you think there are still Chinese operations in the Philippines now? Ang sagot niya parang yeah, it's massive. It's marami. Then he starts talking about businesses,
Survey
Alice Go.
agencies, even, yeah.
No, sir, we're not talking about Chinese business. We're talking about the Chinese government. Yeah, but it's one and the same.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's, that's,
Yeah, yeah.
whoa.
It's one and the same.
Wow.
Since 2017, even Chinese businesses have to toe the line and work for the Chinese government in government's interest. So, ganun ang kanyang point of view. In fact, I was saying nga,
Interesting.
in certain parts of the conversation, he called Xi Jinping a dictator. He said that Chinese people are brainwashed. Medyo manghang
Very
siya.
sharp, very sharp.
Manghang.
Pero, ito, kabisado ni Richard ito eh.